Two hail technicians can work the exact same hours during a storm, and one makes significantly more money. Usually, it's not because he's more talented, it's because he's more efficient. And that's exactly why I think a lot of technicians completely misunderstand what hail damage pro actually is. This is not a course for someone trying to learn how to repair hail damage from zero. This program was built for technicians who already repair hail cars but want to become faster, cleaner, more efficient, and get more money through the storm. Once you already know how to repair hail damage, the game changes. At that point, it is no longer can you fix the dent? Because you can. It becomes how fast can you read the damage? How efficient is your movement? How clean can you finish? How much energy are you wasting? And how consistent can you stay over long weeks during a storm? That's what separates average weeks from huge weeks in hell. I still see very skilled technicians losing a lot of time every day because of small inefficiencies. Things like unnecessary movements, overworking the dents, fighting the metal, poor workflow, insufficient glue pulling, chasing highs for too long, or simply making repairs harder than they need to be. Hail Damage Pro focuses exactly on that. It's not a beginner PDR course. It's not your basic dent repair. This is real world hail efficiency training. Inside the course, I focus heavily on speed with control, workflow, cleaner repairs, better decision making, glue pulling efficiently, metal control, finishing, reading the damage faster, and simplifying the whole repair process. Because during hail season, same hours plus more cars equals a massive difference. And not just financially, also physically. The more efficient you become, the less exhausted you are at the end of the storm. That matters a lot during a long hail season. Over the years, I've learned that a lot of success in hail isn't just about being talented, it's about consistency, efficiency, discipline, and understanding how to approach repairs the right way. Sometimes one small adjustment in technique or workflow can completely change your speed and output. And those small changes compound massively over an entire storm season. Another thing I think some people misunderstand, this is not a subscription. It's a one time payment and lifetime access. So once you're in, you keep the training and you can revisit it any time you like. Everything inside this course is based on how I repair cars in real life. There's no fake polish marketing stuff. It's everything I do to get more consistent. Practical techniques and approaches that can help you as well. How to move faster, how to stay cleaner, how to work smarter, and how to become more productive during a storm. A lot of technicians already know how to fix hail damage, but efficiency is what really changes the incomes during hail season. That's the difference. So if you're already repairing hail cars, but feel like there's another level you can reach in speed, efficiency, workflow, or just overall output, then that's exactly who Hail Damage Pro was built for. I'll leave the link below for anyone who wants to check it out, and for everyone out there chasing storm this season, stay safe and make it count.